Just after 2 p.m., IMPD received a 911 call regarding a man waving a gun and threatening to shoot people near a housing complex in the 600 block of East 38th Street.
What's going on?
There's a guy outside the facility waving a gun at people, saying that he's a felon and claiming that he will shoot people.
Security camera video captured the man, later identified as 35-year-old Lemar Qualls, walking around the perimeter of the housing complex. Responding IMPD officers received an update from dispatch regarding an additional 911 caller in the 3900 block of Broadway Street. The caller said a man matching Mr. Qualls' description was on her front porch waving a gun and making threats.
There's an intruder. He's a black male with tattoos, about, probably 5'8", and he has a gun. He just put it in front of my face and clanked it up against a metal bar to let me know it's real. He's currently on my porch trying to, solicit electronics for sale, but he's kind of, babbling off crazy stuff.
Recording.
Control, shots fired.
Shots fired, 604 East 38th Street.
What was that? Police active shooting. Alright.
Police active shooting, 604 East 38th Street.
You're fine. You know me. I wouldn't do this if it wasn't what I think it is. If I'm wrong, tell me, please. Bro. Hands up! Stop. Hands up! Bro. Hands up! Stop. Hands up!
Recording.
He just dropped it.
Additional officers arrived at the scene. As officer number 3 approached the home, Mr. Qualls' firearm was visible on the patio stairs. The preliminary investigation indicates damage to the magazine was caused by a round from one of the officers. The impact caused Mr. Qualls to lose possession of the firearm, which then landed on the stairs.
Background.
We're up here.
Just need somebody to grab hands. We got some uniforms.
I got hands.
Is the scene safe for Maddie?
On me.
Yep.
Where's the gun?
Over here.
Officers secured Mr. Qualls and began medical aid until the arrival of Indianapolis Emergency Medical Services. Mr. Qualls was transported to Methodist Hospital, where he later died. No officers or uninvolved citizens were injured in this incident.